Fisher-Price, and I just stumbled across WonderMakers.
Parents are really looking for a few things from new lines from us this year. One is gender neutral, so you can see there from the color palette and the cast and characters, it's all gender neutral. And they're also looking for mixed materials. So you've got woods, you've got plastic, and of course you've got the felt.
Yeah, wow. I haven't seen this for a while.
And you're also going to see a lot of play value. So you can see when they invest in a track set, the children are going to be able to both build tracks and build buildings.
This can be a piece of track. It can be the pillar of a building. It can be cargo on the trailer. Or what I really love, my personal favorite, is the kids really tell us what this line is. They stack up all the pieces, they put a character near it, and they say, it's a campfire. It is whatever they want it to be. There's no wrong way to play. Everything is under $40.
Okay, so if I buy the box down here, what do I get in the box? I guess everything is pictured.
So that one's the Academy. That one is $40, and it comes with what you see on the table here, plus some extra track, so that you can make a full loop. The connectors here are a nice soft plastic, so it's nice and flexible, and it makes it easy for the kids to put the tracks together.
That's very exciting, and no batteries are required.
No batteries required, gender neutral, and we know that there are parents who are looking for this digital detox and just some classic imaginative play.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.